Hello viewer, we are using the designs around it. We will find the different options. I will apply and use a shape around that, mix up the picture and choose the tower design we have on our screen in Photoshop. So this will help us to create a new picture here, apply around it. So use that color. I will use that eraser tool on it. Now we will have that picture. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. This will help you out.